Hey guys, Nick here. It's Thursday, August the 6th, and we just picked up our shipment from Earthtools. If you're watching this video, then you already know what's going on. This is going to be the unboxing of Grillo G110 walking tractor, which I'm assuming is going to be in this box. And back here on this pallet is going to be our flail mower, 30-inch flail mower, 30-inch tiller, and rotary plow. One of the things that Earthtool advises you to do when you pick your package up, either whether they're dropping it off or whether you're picking it up, is to inspect the pallets. I inspected these. The bands are still on the boxes. The shrink wrap is still on. I mean, these pallets look like typical pallets. They're going to be scuffed up a little bit, but I don't see any scuff marks on the boxes. So was missing one band right here, but I mean, the box still looks fine. So, and we signed for the package as if everything was good. We assume it will be. There's no reason to believe that it won't be. Without further ado, guys, we're gonna start getting into these boxes, cutting this wrap off, cutting these bands off, and see how far we can get before it gets dark. Now guys, I know this says check contents before accepting, but you know, your truck driver's delivering this and he's in a hurry, you're probably not going to have time to go through every single box, depending on how big your order was. You know, but you're going to have some indication of what things are going to look like based on what the boxes look like, and if everything's still stacked up. Now we'll take a real quick pause here, guys, and show you. You couldn't have saw this when the box was on the stack, but after I took it off the back side of the box, you can definitely see the PTO. I guess that's going to be the quick coupler protruding through the box. Still not worried. I mean, this box is damaged a little bit right here, but still not worried about it. I'm sure it's going to be perfectly fine. All right, here guys, show you what we got. This is definitely going to be this will be the tiller, 30-inch tiller. It's obviously upside down. So we got a little instruction booklet that goes with it. We'll collect all of those and keep them together. This is going to be our rotary plow. Just as Joel mentions in his videos, if you're not familiar with his videos, look them up on YouTube, Earthtools. He tells you in one of his videos that he's got a hand-drawn, put together instruction booklet on how to plow with a rotary plow. And there it is. Also got your manual for your rotary plow. Again, we'll just kind of keep all of this stuff together. And over here, we have our flail mower, big box. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. It's a big flail mower. Definitely looks bigger than 30 inches, but I'm sure that's what it is. That's what I ordered. Here again, we've got our manual, and we'll just put all those together, just keep them in the same place. Let's go ahead and get this stuff out of the box and get these boxes out of the way so that we can get the tractor off of the trailer before we lose light. All right, folks, this is what it looks like setting in the box. Your handles are down in the bottom. That's the cover that goes over the center. Got a manual. Not sure what's in the wrapped up in blue there. It may be my axle extensions. They weren't sure if they would get them shipped with this because I added them to my order after the fact. They weren't sure that they would be in the box with this shipment, but if I had to bet, that's probably what those are. We'll find out. Hey guys, we're back here day 2 of the unboxing of the Grillo G110. Last night we were losing light and we couldn't quite finish it up, but I did, after last night's video, I did go ahead and put the shifter rods in. Well, this is the clutch rod, power takeoff rod, and it's gear shifter over here. I did manage to get it in neutral, kind of rolled it around. I did set it up on a block right here and just check the oil. Just like Earthtools says, The oil should be setting right here at the throat. If it's spilling out, that's how you know you got enough in it, and that is the case. And they test these engines out obviously before they leave, and so there's a little gas in it, and I was able to crank it up. It cranked up last night on the second pull, and just kind of briefly put things in gear. Everything seems to be working good. We're going to get it off the trailer, and the plan is to hook up to this flail mower and see if we can mow some weeds that are standing kind of tall over on the other side of the greenhouse over there. As you see, we did get all the implements off. This is a rotary plow, and can't wait to try that out. This is kind of a safety bar that goes on the back. If you've watched any other videos on this unit, nobody runs this safety bar. I believe this was a flap to keep it from throwing dirt. This thing will want to throw dirt like 2 feet to the right, and my understanding is this flap is to kind of keep that dirt contained if you don't want it to throw that far. This is your transport wheel, and also I guess the gauge wheel to kind of set the depth of the plow as it's moving along. And you guys know what this is. This is just the tiller, 30-inch tiller, 30-inch flail mower. And these were, in fact, the axle extensions that I added to the order after I'd placed the order for all this other stuff. We'll get these bolted on at some point. We don't really need them right now, but I run some beds that are 30-something inches wide, and if I want to run the tiller, this 30-inch tiller through a 36-inch bed, I can do that and put these axle extensions on and get my tires outside the bed, so they're not even tracking in the bed. They'll be tracking outside the width of the bed. You can do that with these, and you can adjust up or down where you need to be. This bolts to the hub of the tractor, and this piece right here will bolt to the wheel, and you can just set it where you need to. Excited about that. We're going to put some fuel in the tractor, crank it up, get it off, see if we can get it hooked up to this flail mower, and see if we can get a little mowing in before it gets dark.